Who doesn't love a fresh donut, but who wants to run to the local bakery to buy one? Here's an easy way to make donuts at home. To begin, open the tube of biscuits. Lightly flour a cutting board and a small circular cookie cutter. Place the biscuits onto the board, keeping space between them. Using the floured cookie cutter, cut a hole in the center of each biscuit. Place 2 inches of vegetable oil onto a fry pan. Heat pan to 350 degrees. I used a cookie thermometer to check the correct temperature. Carefully place each biscuit into the hot oil, making sure there is space between them. Once both sides are golden brown, carefully remove them from the oil and place the donuts onto a plate lined with paper towels to absorb that oil. Basic donut glaze. Place whole milk and vanilla into a small saucepan. Add a small amount of sifted confectioner's sugar to the milk and vanilla, mixing after each addition of sugar. Once the 2 cups of confectioner's sugar is mixed in, remove the pan from the heat. To keep the glaze from hardening, place the saucepan in a shallow bowl of warm water. Dip each donut into the glaze. If you want to add sprinkles, do it while the glaze is still wet. Add milk and vanilla to a small saucepan. Over medium heat, add the butter to the saucepan. Continue to stir until the butter is melted. Add chocolate and continue to stir until the chocolate is melted. Once the chocolate is melted, add a small amount of sifted confectioner's sugar. Continue to add the sifted confectioner's sugar, mixing after each addition. Dip each donut into the glaze. Allow the excess to drip off before placing them onto a plate to dry. In a bowl, mix the cinnamon and sugar together. Dip the donut into the mixture. Using a pastry bag with a large open tip, fill the bag with preserves. Push the tip into the side of the donut. Carefully squeeze the pastry bag to fill the donut. If desired, sprinkle with confectioner's sugar. I hope this inspired you to make these delicious donuts using Pillsbury Grand's biscuits. Keep checking in for more yummy recipes.